Hello learners, welcome back to my channel. I am Rohit Lala. I am going to start a new playlist on Python programming where I will use Google Colab, a cloud-based programming software, and we will teach Python from basic. So basically why we learn Python or what is the Python language actually. So every time always remember that computer understands certain specific codes, and that's why to learn that thing or to instruct the computer and get the output, we are acquainting ourselves, and that language is a Python language, and that instructions are known as a coding. So now, what would be the learning outcomes after completing this chapter or this series? So yes, the first thing, we will understand why we require Python and what is importance of it. We will identify its applications. We will use Google Colab, a wonderful software. I would always say wonderful cloud software where we don't need to install any kind of um, program in our computer. And yes, execute basic Python, print and arithmetic programs in Colab. So let's ask question why we learn Python. So again, yes, Python is high level, interpreted and general purpose programming language, and it is widely used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence or machine learning, in automation, in finance, in education and research. So I hope everything is covered now. Moving, what are the advantages of the Python language? So yes, it's simple and readable syntax. It's nearly close to in English language. Cross-platform, as I always say, works on Windows, Linux, Macs, and cloud environment. And we will focus on cloud environment. More important, vast libraries of data science, machine learning, and analytics. We will see different library in different videos. Moving, we have large community support. So what are the features of Pythons? So yes, it is interpreted language, runs line by line without completion. It's very simple. When I will have a hands-on, you will see the play button. Once we click on play button, the code will run. Dynamically typed, no need to declare variables types x is equal to 10, x is equal to text. We will see this thing. Object oriented, yes, support classes, inheritance, and polymorphism. It's portable, same code runs everywhere. And yes, extensive libraries, as I always say, we will see NumPy, Pandas, Matplot, lib, and TensorFlow. Moving, one more important thing, what are the applications or where is the application of Python? So different domain uses Python as its primary language. So the first is data science and analytics, where the libraries are Pandas and NumPy. In machine learning and AI, the libraries are mostly used as Scikit, Learn, TensorFlow and PyTorch. For web development, yes, Django and Flask. For finance and business risk modeling and stock analysis, it is used. For automation and scripting, file handling and batch processing, it is used. In education, yes, simple syntax is used for teaching. So these are the applications or these are the domains where Python is used. Yes, now comes the second topic. I would like to introduce Google Colab. Yes, Google Colab is a collaboratory Colab, and it's cloud-based Jupyter Notebook environment. Again, it has a basic requirement of your Google account. It's your email address. And there are some advantages. Yes, again, I would say you would not require to install Python in your PC in form of, you can say, Anaconda or any other things. It is a cloud-based software. It has free GPU and TPU support. It auto saves in our Google Drive, easy to share all the things we will see. And yes, it supports Python library which are pre-installed in the server. So let's see how the Google Colab is. So this is a Google Colab. I will open new file. Okay, I would open new file, and I will just give a name, Rohit's Colab. So this is a new file. I will just rename it here. So it's Rohit Colab. Now, more important thing. First thing first, we need to connect our server. So that's why whenever you start your Colab, whenever you come to this page, the first task is to connect it. So your engine is connected and your codes would be initiated. Once it is connected, it will show the RAM, that is 12 GB RAM, and you have a disk of 38.97 GB. So this way you get your access to your Colab. Yes, always remember we can write text and code. Yes, this is one more fantastic thing. Run all codes together. This is a very common menu like file, edit, view, insert, runtime, tools, and help. So whenever it requires, I will definitely go in each of it. But this is your Colab environment. Now let's come back to our PPT. So as I have discussed this Colab environment, I have also shown you how to connect it. Uh, First code, or we will initiate our first code to print hello world. So I am just going back to Colab. I am first writing induction to Colab. So now induction I have written. I will just stop it. Now I will add one coding line and I will write print hello world. So this is my code. Whenever I just give play, it will run my code and give me what I have said. So this is very basic thing. Like I have just run a small code. Now let's understand variables. What are the variables? So suppose in Python I want to assign the variables. So suppose I want to say the value of x is equal to 9, and if I run this it will accept it. But I want to see what is the value of x. I need to write print value of x. When I run this, it will say that yes, the value of x is 9. So whenever I am assigning any value, x can be 9, 10, 8. So whenever I am making it, it is known as a variable. So moving one step ahead, I want to write a kind of a text. So this is my first variable, which is number. Now I want to assign y as a string variable, or you can say a text variable. We will see this. So here I will write my name. So y is Rohit, and when I just write print y, when I just write print y, and you can see it has given me output of 9 and Rohit. So this is a very wonderful software, and again the same thing, a variable is created the moment you first assign value to it. Just doing a small exercise, and we are trying to assign a kind of a name, enrollment number, and branch. So I am just creating a new code here, where I am assigning my name as Rohit Lala, my enrollment number I am just taking a kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yes, I am giving a branch that is BBA Business Analytics. So let's start print. Obviously, string data, name is Rohit Lala. Moving one step ahead, print enrollment number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Moving one step ahead, print stream, that is BBA BA. Obviously, I am teaching BBA Business Analytics students, so I would write my stream BBA BA. When I just click this, you can see the output is very simple. My name is Rohit Lala, my enrollment number is 12345, my stream is BBA BA. So this way we can assign the variable and we can work on it. So now my exercise 2 is also very simple. We need to perform a very basic arithmetic calculation. So now see here, I am working on assigning a value, that is my a variable has 7 units and b variable has 15 units. Now once I assign it, I can have a command where I want print I directly write a plus b. I can also write print a minus b. I can also write print a multiply b. I can also write print a divide b. So let's run this much first. So you can see here the values are directly occurring. 7 plus 15, that would be 22. 7 minus 15, it would be minus 8. 7 into 15, that would be 105, and 7 divided by 15, that would be 0.466 or 467. So this way we can work on it. There are many more options that comes, so that you can explore it later. So